Alright, if you guys are still here, I'm back. Breaks up. If you heard the stories that this place isn't very busy on a Wednesday, those stories would be correct. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is really the time to visit this place. Now, we need to see if we can make it back to Murphy, North Carolina before the thunderclouds come in. It is 1 o'clock. And it's supposed to start raining at 2. But today was a great day to ride once the fog lifted. Now we're behind this state DOT truck. That's an old Beamer. I've had a couple of those. They were fun, but big. You can always tell when there's an hourly employee behind the wheel. When I drove a truck for Coca-Cola, we got paid by the day and by the case. And you can mark my words, that truck was wide open. It was governed at 63 miles an hour. And that truck was going 63 miles an hour everywhere it needed to go. What is he doing? What's he out sightseeing in the state truck? Turn signal would have been helpful. Alright, here is Poco Lodge. I hear they got pretty good food lately. I can't afford it, but maybe you can. If you're watching this video, thanks for watching. I just paid 0.00003 cents off of your view, so I greatly appreciate it. If enough of you guys watch my videos, maybe in a year or two I can afford to go eat at the Poco Lodge. But we're on US129 south, heading towards Robbinsville. There is nothing eventful on this road, so I'm going to shut down if we're still going, and hit that thumbs up button, please.